We often spend a lot of time sifting weight loss studies and asking supertone celebrities about their health secrets. At the end of the day, shedding off the pounds is just as challenging as it is for anyone else. Do you know? Making small, specific changes in your daily activity can be the key for weight loss success. It's time to jump off the old trend and try some down-to-earth recommendations to get the best possible start on 12-week weight loss plan. This 12-week plan typically isn't always easy to stay with, yet they actually work for effective weight loss. This plan basically combines advice on healthier eating and physical activity. 1. Don't skip breakfast. Research shows skipping breakfast won't help you lose weight, instead ruin health. You could miss out on vital nutrients and you may end up having snacks throughout the day because you feel hungry. Get into the routine of taking breakfast with these energy-boosting foods intended to sharpen the appetite of even the most habitual breakfast skipper. 2. Eat regular meals. Some people think to lose weight by cutting out their meals, but research shows eating at regular times during the day burns calories at a faster rate. It also removes the enticement of snacks which have high content of sugar and fat. In case you are missing your meals, then you will be unable to work and think properly, which often results in doziness and intake of fat-rich foods. 3. Eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are low in fat and calories and high in nutrient content. These are vital ingredients for effective weight loss. Not only this, they also contain lots of vitamins and minerals. Eating fruits and veg will introduce lesser fats and carbohydrates in your body. This makes you healthy and fit, and your skin keeps glowing and you feel fresh. 4. Get more active. Study shows regular activity loses your extra calories, and being active is the key to losing weight. Exercise provides numerous health advantages and helps to burn off the excess calories you cannot cut through diet alone. 5. Drink plenty of water. People often mix thirst with hunger. Don't end up consuming extra calories when only a glass of water is truly what you need. Just by drinking large amount of water can lose your excess calories. Water is crucial part of our life. Drinking 7 to 12 glasses of water is essential in a day. 6. Eat high fiber foods. Always eat foods which contains high fiber. This will make you feel full. Fiber is an ideal food for slimming down your body and also very helpful in losing weight. Fibers are excellent weight loss foods found in plants, such as fruit and veg, oats, whole grain bread, brown rice and pasta, and beans, peas and lentils. 7. Read food labels. If you have knowledge of reading food labels, then you can always pick better and healthier option. Read food labels checking the amount of calories, fat, salt, and sugars you eat, which can help your weight loss plan. Use the calorie information to check how a specific diet works into your daily calorie allowance on the weight loss plan. 8. Don't ban foods. Weight loss plan doesn't mean to prohibit specific food you like, so don't ban any foods from your weight loss plan. Banning foods will only make you even more hunger to the foods to like. There's no reason you can't appreciate the periodic treat as long as you stay within your daily calorie allowance. 9. Don't stock junk foods. To prevent enticement, try not to have junk foods, such as chocolate, biscuits, crisps and sweet fizzy drinks, in your eating plan. Junk foods will also enhance your desire to intake them. Instead, stock up with healthy snacks, such as fruit, unsalted rice cakes, oat cakes, unsalted or unsweetened popcorn, and fruit juice. 10. Cut down on alcohol. Do you know? Drinking a standard glass of wine can contribute your body with as many calories as a piece of chocolate. With time, taking too much can quickly subscribe to weight gain. If you are really ambitious about weight loss, stop drinking alcohol which are high in calorie count. 11. Plan your meal. Plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and treats for the week, making sure you stick to your calorie allowance and nutrient allocation. Try to prepare for 4 to 7 days, which may be helpful to make your weekly shopping list. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.